guys, Pro Gamer here, and today we are doing an unboxing to my PlayStation 4. My cousin already started his video, now I'm about to start mine. Let's go. Here for me, Andrew. Okay, I didn't. I just heard.
Andrew, your boss said he wants to come over here.
Okay. Alright, my PlayStation. I don't know how I'm doing the camera, but my big PlayStation. Wait. So, in my day, oh yeah. Wait, I forgot that you're gonna do it. In my day, because you already know how to do everything. In my basement.
My dad's about to come over my cousin's house to come see me.
Wait a second.
Dang, your car is terrible.
Oh, don't slam my stuff.
Wait, calm down. It's fine. Dang, the PlayStation is strong anyway.
Is your dad gonna take you home?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not leaving.
Oh, got the PlayStation.
I finally got a PlayStation.
Yeah, I finally got my PlayStation. I've been waiting forever.
Like a year.
Yes, I actually have been waiting for a year. I think I have. Like, even close to a year, I guess.
Sorry, I hear that in the background. This is dog.
Cash. The little boy who tried to run from me. You tried to run from me, Cash. But I got you, boy. Bro, you kind of can't see him because, you know, his fur is black.
Yeah, I'm not going to have time in this video.
PlayStation! Let me see if I can turn it to it. Oh, shoot. There we go. PlayStation. Ballin'. I'm finally one of you guys. Andrew's friends. Only friend I know from Andrew's D-Wood.
Okay, y'all. So
I know your real name too. I know your real name too, D-Wood. Andrew told me.
what is his name?
It's like
Damarian.
Demarion? Or Demon?
Damarian.
Oh, Demarion? Oh, did I just hit that on camera? Damn, bro. Now,
What's wrong with saying it on camera?
cause people, I don't know.
I can't figure out his name. None of my friends literally watch my channel. Some of my friends do, but not a lot.
All right, let's watch Andrew do this. Even though he's, you know, doing it on mine, on his. Let's see if I can get it to do it on me. Bro.
Oh, I thought you knocked over my tablet. I was like, no. But this is
That was my, I think that was my Xbox.
One right here.
No. Oh no, mine's yours. It kind of looks kind of
Y'all
weird.
can literally not even see that in the box.
I know.
That, but
I think these seems. This is. Oh, darkness, my friend. What have I done? I got this. I got it. Why can I wait to play this new? Wait, hold on.
there you go.
Where my games go? Oh heck.
It's right there, son. Chill out.
Oh boy. I got Call of Duty.
Look at this. Ps4.
Bro, I got Call of Duty. I was gonna give Rush Dogs 2, but
Excuse me. You don't want to play with me. Who said that?
I do. But I don't know. And I got this game. And I think I'm going for
Sorry, y'all. This is the extension of the PlayStation 4 unboxing because I can only record it until a certain amount of time. Okay, y'all. Let's hurry up and do this.
Yeah, and
Probably about to be like 3 videos on this.
and my iPad's about to die, so. And the first thing I'm going for this is the dragon. Alright, hold on. I know it's mine. I got it. Cash.
Okay, his dog's probably about to jump. Crap, what'd I say?
Ah! Cash your neck, boy. Ah. Okay. He's coming upstairs, Maya. Okay, y'all. Oh, damn. How do you get it down here?
Next thing you know, he chew up your box.
No! Okay, hold on. I'll be right back. Yeah?
Guys, come here. Okay, here he is, y'all. I'm about to show you. Get up. What? Oh, wait. He is. Okay, y'all. Cannot get this open. Cash, Okay.
Screen like the flash over here.
Oh my god, this dude! I can't
Chill! You was check on my PlayStation.
Okay, Sean. I'll just be the cameraman for this, y'all.
What video am I doing here? If you're the cameraman.
Okay, Sean, hurry up and open the thing.
Oh, I'll do this? Okay. Leave my camera here.
Yo, stop it, Cash. What are you doing? Taking the Wendy's bottle.
Oh, yeah. You got your smoothie over here, too. Oh, bruh. Oh, gosh. Can I eat my Xbox controller?
Oh my god, this is too hard.
It's heavy, too.
I think your dad's gonna give me.
My dad said don't do it right now.
How would you do this? You never told me.
Hello, darkness, Mario.
When you know, you just messed up. No!
And my dad isn't gonna mad. And my dad isn't gonna get mad. And my dad's gonna help us.
Call him down here.
Yeah. I'm gonna came up here so they can see what's going on. All these steps. Let's go. Unboxing this goo. Get up.
Hold on, don't start unboxing now. I'll be down there in a minute.
Bruh.
I won't have to get messed up.
Okay.
Messed up bad.
How come you go at my camera, but I'm not even in my own camera?
Bruh.
They did. It was a good run.
At this moment, they
You
knew,
knew.
they messed up.
I think the video is about to end in a minute.
I know mine's is. Yours can only go to 20. So yours can yours can last forever. Mine can.
Yeah, so there. Once it says it's about to be on 5%, the video's gonna end. So I might as well just end it right now.
Yo, I'm about to end this video right here.
Yeah.
When we really, I'm deleting this video. I'm deleting all those videos.
For real? Well, I'm not gonna delete mine. I need to post. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Me and Liz. No! Oh. Wait, it didn't end for real?
Chill out.
Mine didn't end. Oh, savage. Okay. Well, hope you.
Chill out, dude.
Bruh. Hope enough. Hold on. What cash? Hold on. Before I end this video, come on, duck. He's tearing up the Wendy's cup thingy. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys. I'm not going to that quick. Hope you like, subscribe, comment down below, and hashtag. And comment down below. Well, what game should I get next? I already know that I'm going to get Minecraft, of course. Well, comment down below what game should I get next, and I was probably not like GTA and parents these days. Now I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. And wait, who is this? And what are you doing, bro? It's talking about his quality. Who man is this? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Yeah.